Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Reason channel. So friends, today I will talk about MINISFORUM's V3. So friend, MINISFORUM has integrated the pre-sale of the latest product, the V3, which is listing guys at the first 3-in-1 tablet, which is equipped with AMD Ryzen7 8840U processor. This high-performance AI tablet integrates Radeon 780M integrated graphics and features a dual fan for copper cooling system that support a 28-watt sustained performance mode. This makes the V3 an ideal choice for intensive applications such as AI model training, graphics rendering, video editing, and gaming. The tablet is powered by the AMD Ryzen7 8840U processor coupled with XDNA AI processor, enhancing the neural processing unit capabilities up to 16 TOPS and overall processor capabilities to 38 TOPS. This integration results in a Windows CI 3-in-1 tablet that meets Microsoft's highest security standards, supports real-time communication tools, and compatible with Microsoft Copilot hardware. And the V3 is constructed with the magnesium alloy monolithic die-cast cell and equipped with a 14-inch to 15K 165Hz intelligent touchscreen. The display achieves a peak brightness of 500 nits and covers 100% of the display P3 color gamut, which is compatible to professional movie screens, and the device also features a stereo quad speaker system. And friend, the connectivity option include two USB 4 ports with transfer rate of 40 Gbps, a SD card slot, and a 3.5 headphone jack. The V Pen supporting MP 2.0 protocol with 4096 pressure levels catered to creative and professional needs. The tablet also supports Windows Hello and fingerprint authentication integrated into the power button, PD 65-watt fast charging, and houses a 50.82-hour battery. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.